Earl Nightingale, as the founder of Nightingale-Conant, one of the most important personal development organisations in the history of mankind, starting with spool tapes and records, and they've been really responsible for helping people upgrade their thinking, rewiring their brain. One of his most famous sayings is this: we become what we think about. So simple. We become what we think about. So I wonder what you're going to think about today. Think about something that helps you become more of what you'd like to be.